I am Harish Naikodi. I am Tejas. I am Hemant.
States and capitals.
States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Ambavati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Bejpur. Bihar, Patna. Chandigarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Isbai. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Telangana, Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. West Bengal, Kolkata.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara for Vishnu: Matsya, Bhurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharat Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar month.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Desha, Ashara, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashija, Kartika, Magashua, Pusha, Magha, Phalguna.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Dharmara, Periyar, Tamilnadu, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dussehra, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday, Mahashivaratri.
Colors in rainbow.
Colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburna, Koragu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Kenya, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durga Vaishnu, Anna Safai, Sucheta Kirpani, Kitturani Chandama, Kalari Chandama, Onake Obawa, Vijay Lakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Dakshini Lakshmi Bai.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Alaknanda, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gold Gumbad, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Lake Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Parts of speech.
Part of it: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, O.V. Baba, Satish Chandra Bose, Meghna Chand, Satyendranath Bose, Anu Kokrekar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eye, ear, tongue, skin.
Gnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka.
Dhanapita Awards from